Hello, I'm Chris from Amphio Electronics, and today I'll share 5 essential tips for getting into FPGA programming. Ready? Let's dive in. The first step is figuring out why you want to learn FPGA programming. Are you aiming to be an FPGA pro? Maybe you're curious about hardware mining, or just want to bring a unique FPGA project to life. Whatever your reason, keep that motivation clear in your mind. It'll keep you on track. And a quick tip, don't do it just for the paycheck. Yes, FPGA jobs can pay well, but if you're not genuinely interested, it'll feel like a drag. Drop a comment below and share why you're interested in FPGAs. Remember, this journey requires dedication, so make sure it's something you're truly passionate about. There are tons of development boards out there, ranging from affordable options to high-end ones. Which one should you choose? Start by going back to your motivation. If you're just curious, start with a low-cost board. But if you're seriously considering FPGA programming, invest in one with more features. For instance, if you want to experiment with basic projects, the Digilent Commod A7 is budget-friendly and beginner-friendly. You can check out the full list on my website, where I recommend boards from Xilinx and Intel, two reliable FPGA manufacturers. Now that you've got your board, the next step is getting the right software. If you're using a Xilinx board, you'll need Vivado Design Suite. For Intel boards, go for Quartus Prime. Note that older Xilinx FPGAs require IC, while newer models use Vivado. Both companies offer free versions for beginners, so all you need to do is create an account, download, and you're ready to start programming. With your board and software in hand, you're ready to jump into your first project. Start simple, maybe try blinking an LED or creating a basic counter. You can find tutorials online to guide you through these beginner projects, and you'll get hands-on experience with FPGA programming concepts. This is where you'll start to see what FPGA can actually do, so enjoy the process. Once you complete your first project, keep pushing yourself to learn more. FPGA programming has a steep learning curve, but with consistent practice, you'll improve. Don't be afraid to seek help. The FPGA community is active and supportive, and there's always someone who's been where you are. Subscribe, like, and drop any questions you have in the comments. I'm here to help you on your journey. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.